I think he got it.
No.
You have to really put it up to his mouth, Cullen, because the other ones will take it from him.
He doesn't fight for him.
Yeah.
Just make them all sit. Wait, Kelly.
Sit.
Let's get them all to sit.
Good
right?
boy. Uh-oh.
You got it, your dog is gassy. Sit. Sit. Chloe, sit.
Guinness, sit.
Good boys. Chloe, come on up here.
Come here.
Come on, Chloe.
Chloe, come here, sit. Yes, good
Wait.
boy.
Wait.
Watch.
Wait.
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 Good.
Alright, go ahead. That's 2 anyway. Shoot, we're not getting it.
Cullen, you're being
Sit.
so good. You can tell Cullen to sit pretty, and he'll sit pretty for you, too.
Let's just
Wait.
try to get 3 dogs. She's not in there yet.
Chloe, come here. No, this is for Chloe. Guinness, stay. Sit.
Everybody sit.
You know, it's your turn. Good boy. Wait. Be good. This is, yep. This is for him. Sit. What's up, Chloe? You don't want any? Come here, Chloe. No. Good boys. Sit. All of you. No. Guinness, sit.
He's still trying
Sit.
to find the piece he lost at one of the couch.
No, he found it.
Oh, he did?
He ate it. Yeah.
All right.
Guinness, sit. Chloe, this is yours. Good boy. Good boy. Yes, you're just waiting until it's your turn, right? Here, Guinness. Wait. This is Cullen's. Guinness, sit.
Guinness, no. Wait. Cullen's like, I'll lay down and do anything you want. Chloe, going over there.
Chloe, come here. Come here. Chloe.
Come up. Here, Chloe.
Guinness,
Chloe.
sit. 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 Yes. You're a good boy, Guinness. Yes, that's good. See, you're a good boy. Wait.
No, he'll lay for you, too.
Oh. You know, guys, we're almost out. Good. Chloe, come here. That's Chloe's. That's good. Oh, he's gonna get the last. Oh, you've been a good boy. That's it. No more. We're all done. And we got it on picture. Me with human eating dogs. Feeding them. They're bigger than
Like,
me.
woohoo!
You guys were so good. And now you're all exhausted. You played, you ate, now have a drink and sleep. Right?
I think it's funny the way the boys are and...
I don't have anything else. No more. You ate it all. Oh, so now you're going to go after the girl again, huh?
She's...